Hey guys, on today's video we're going to take a look at tuna fish. So let's get started. Let's move on to our second tab in our battle pass. We're going to see tuna fish up here. Let's press X on it. If you scroll down, you're going to see character styles. Now there's a few character styles that I've unlocked. Let me just unlock one more up here. This is it. So I'm just going to claim that reward. Once I unlock it, I can just put it on tuna fish. I'm going to go ahead and equip it for now. So this is the one that I have, so let me just go back and show you. So that's what it looks like. Now I'm going to go back into Battle Pass. I'm going to claim one more. So there's character styles here, and there's even more character styles if I scroll down. And there's a bunch in here that I have not claimed at all. And I unlocked them already, so I can go ahead and claim all of these guys. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. So the first one is this. I'm going to hold X to claim it. That's how it looks like. I'm going to equip it as well. Now the next one that we have is this one. I'm going to hold X as well, and I'm going to claim it. Next up, we have this guy. Hold X on it. We're also going to equip it. Moving on to this guy, and we're going to equip it as well. Then we have this guy. Equipped. Finally, Carnage. Although he looks kind of weird as tuna fish. But anyways, the other one that I did unlock, luckily, was this guy. So I'm going to equip it. Moving on. And finally equipped. Then we have, finally, Sunny. Then we have Mancake, which we are going to equip. Then down here below, we have a few others that I unlocked finally. So I can actually claim these. Now that one looks kind of weird, but that's okay. This one I'm not a big fan of, but I equipped it anyways. This guy right here as well. Equipped. And then this guy, which I kind of like this style. So I'm going to leave it on this guy right now. So those are the ones that I unlocked so far. There's a few others that I have to unlock. Obviously, you have to just keep playing the game. For now, there's no more character styles. This would be the last page of character styles. Let me just go back. And here he is. Now, if I want to change any of my styles, obviously I have to go back into my locker. And in my locker, I can just click on Edit Style. I can look at all the other ones that I have. So as you guys saw, I did have Carnage. I did have all these other guys. So I could change any of them at any point in time. I'm just going to leave this as for now. So I'm going to save. I'm going to save this over. And I'm going to save it right here. Over as my preset. Anyways, as for now, that would be it for this video. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down here in comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and rate. Thank you.